What's up, guys? This is my first YouTube video, my first voiceover, but I wanted to test it out because I want to show you guys how to prevent hackers from stealing your WhatsApp account. My friend had his WhatsApp account stolen, and today I see that they were attempting to steal my account. I was receiving text messages that looked like this, and it wasn't me. So here's what I did. I went to settings and you tap on account, then you tap on two-step verification. I hit enable, and then I created a 6-digit PIN, and then I confirmed it. And then I also typed in my email address just in case I need to reset my PIN, or if I forget my PIN that I created, it'll send me an email. Why is this important? Just in case you lose your phone or you don't have that device anymore where you signed up and they actually use that PIN, you could sign in on another device and you can use your email to reset your PIN so you can get inside of that WhatsApp account. Once you confirm your email, you will see two-step verification is enabled. Now, if you continue to receive text messages after, do not click on anything. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment. See you next time.